Exercise 13.2, ninth one. Find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4 meter in diameter and 4.5 in height. How much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? So let us first discuss the first question. Lateral surface area of the cylinder or curved surface area of the cylinder, it is asked. That is equal to 2 pi RH. So that R is equal to diameter is 4.2, so it will be 2.1. R is equal to 2.1 and H is equal to 4.5, so it will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 4.5. So here 0.3, 2 into 4.5, that is 9 into 0.3, so it will be 2.7 into 22, you are getting 2.7 into 22. Okay, so it will be 59.4, you will get 59.4 meter square. Now the second question is, how much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? So 1 by 12 is actually weight. For that second question, you have to find out the total surface area of the cylinder, because it is a closed cylinder. So total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. So 2 pi RH we already find out, that is 59.4. Now we have to find out 2 pi R square, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1. So here again you can cancel this. So 2 into 22, 44 into 0.3 into 2.1, 44 into 0.3 into 2.1, so it will be 27.72. So adding that 59.4 to that, (87.12 meter square). So that is the total surface area of the cylinder. now it is given how much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of that steel used is wasted. So steel actually used multiply by 11 by 12 will be this one. So 1 by 12 is wasted, so this much will be used. 11 by 12 is used. So steel actually used will be 87.12 multiplied by 12 divided by 11. So your answer will be 95.04 meter square. So this is the steel actually used to make a cylinder of total surface area 87.12. In figure 13.12, you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter and height of 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 is to be given for folding it over the top and the bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. See, the figure given, that is the lampshade is of a cylinder. Shape is that of a cylinder. So when we are using that lamp shape, that cloth used, you should cover that one, no? So for that, for folding 2.5 in the top and in the bottom, you have to increase. That means height should be increased by 2.5 plus 2.5. Okay, understood? Yeah. So see, this much is the actually height of the that lampshade will be this much. But to cover that one, 2.5 inside this one will go and 2.5 here also it will go. So height will be increased by 5. Understood? 5. So
30 plus 5, 35.
Here, what is diameter is given, na? 20 centimeter. So D is equal to 20 centimeter. So R is equal to 10 centimeter.
करना या उसकी
H is equal to 30 centimeter plus 5.
35.
So it will be 35. 35. Okay? Yes. So why 35? That 2.5. The top and bottom you have to add. Now, curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. So that is equal to 2 into 25, 7, 10, then 3, 35. So 5, 5 twos are 10, 10 into 10, 100.
100, 22
centimeter
square.
Okay. 2 5s are 10, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 22. So that much centimeter square. Yeah. The students of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holes in the shape of cylinder with a base using cardboard. Each pen holder was to be of radius 3 centimeter and height 10.5. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? So here, one cylinder you have to make with the base. That is one curved surface area plus one base area it will come. Okay, two base area you should not take this as one side is open. Okay, so curved surface area plus the base area you have to make, and how many such cylinders you have to make?
35.
35 you have to make. So multiply by 35. Okay. In one go कर सकते हैं ना? Otherwise, first find the area, then multiply by 35. What do you want?
वो सेकंड वन करते हैं, फर्स्ट फाइंड द एरिया.
First find the area. Okay.
बोले ही नहीं कोई.
So cardboard.
ये अखरा है यार, ये शॉपिंग करना.
For making one pen ball. Okay. So it will be 2 pi RH plus pi r square.
यार.
So 2 into 22 by 7. What is that?
3
centimeters. Okay. H.
10.5
10.5.
into 22 into 7,
By 7 into
3 into 3.
3 into 3. So better you take the common thing of 22 by 7 into 3, no?
Yeah.
So 2 into 10.5 plus 3. So 22 by 7 into 3, 2 into 10.5. So
21.
21 plus 3. 24. So multiply then divide by 7.
66 into 24.
66 multiplied by 24 divided by 7. No.
Two 90 4
301.8. 66 multiplied by 24 divided by
7.
7.
वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर 290 डिवाइड बाय 7.
66 into 24, 158.
1584.
158.
Divide by 7. 226.28. 226.28. 5 or is that?
Okay, no problem. Now, cardboard required
for pen holder.
for
Pen holder.
35 cylinders will be multiplied by 35. So multiply by 35. Get the answer.
7919580. One nine five eight zero.
Centimeter square. Okay. The cone. So this one. This is the height of the cone h, and this height, no, that is called L. That is called slant height of the cone. What is it called? Slant height. Okay. And this is the radius of the cone. Radius. So when you are asked to find out the curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cone, formula is pi RL. Okay, pi RL, where L is the slant height and R is the radius. Now, if it is asked total surface area of cone, you have to add that pi RL plus pi R square, because cone's base is, that is a circle. Okay, cone you have seen, the last base is, what is the shape of the base? Circle. So that area also you have to add to that one. So total surface area of cone is pi RL plus pi R square, and curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Now h is there. Okay, h comes when you have to find out the volume. Actually. So here, if h and r is given, L you have to find out. Okay, L and R is given, h you can find out. How? Look at this one. What's it? Right angle triangle. For this right angle triangle, L is the hypotenuse. Okay, so L square is equal to x square plus r square by Pythagoras theorem. So if any two is given, the other one you can find out. L will be equal to root of x square plus r square. H will be equal to root of L square minus r square. The same way, r will be equal to L square minus x square, root of that one. Okay. So that interrelationship between L, H and R, that also you have to learn. How it came? Because here it is perpendicular height. H means perpendicular height. So you are getting a right angle triangle here. For that right angle triangle, L is the slant height. So L square is equal to x square plus r square, that is using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now let us discuss that examples are given. Example 4. Find the curved surface area of right circular cone whose slant height is 10 cm and base radius is 7 cm. So, curved surface area it is asked. Example 4. L is equal to 10, no? R is equal to 7 centimeter. So curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. So 22 by 7 into 7 multiplied by 10. So 7 square into 220 centimeter square. So curved surface area, that is very easy question they are given. So that is equal to 220 centimeter square. Okay.
Okay.
The example 5. The height of a cone is 16 centimeter and its base radius is 12 centimeter. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area of the cone. So height of the cone. So h is equal to 16 and radius is equal to 12 centimeter. So first you have to find out the curved surface area. For that you need L. So first find L. L is equal to h square plus r square. So 16 square plus 12 square. So 16 square is 256 plus 12 square is 144. So addition you are getting 400. Root of 400, that is equal to 20. Now curved surface area you are asked to find out. Curved surface area of cone, that is equal to pi RL. Here pi value you have to use 3.14. So 3.14 into R, that is 12, into L, that is 20. So your answer is 753.6 centimeter square. Now 12 into 2, 24. So 240 multiplied by 3.14. So you are getting 753.6. Now total surface area you are asked to find out. Total surface area of cone is equal to pi RL plus pi r square. So here pi RL already we find out. So you can put that value itself. No need to again find out. So here 3.14 into 12 into 12. So 753.6. 12 12s are 144 multiplied by 3.14. You are getting 452.16. So final answer is 1205.76 centimeter square. Now example 6. A corn cob shaped somewhat like a cone has the radius of its broadest end as 2.1 centimeter and the length, that is height, is 20 centimeter. If each 1 centimeter square of the surface of the cob carries an average of 4 grains, find how many grains you would find on the entire cob. So here R is equal to 2.1 centimeter and H is given, that is 20 centimeter. So you are asked to find out the curved surface area. So for that L we need. L is equal to h square plus r square. So that is equal to 20 square plus 2.1 square. So it will be 20 square 400, 21 square is 441. So 2.1 square will be 4.41. So it is 404.41. So the square root of points, square root of the numbers with points we have already learnt. So here the same way you can find out the square root, that is 20.11. Now curved surface area. Curved surface area of corn is equal to pi RL. So here pi value 3.14 or here 22 by 7 you can use. So here 2.1 into L value is 20.11. So here you can cancel 0.3. So 0.3 into 22, that is 6.6 multiplied by 20.11. So your answer is 132.726. You can approximate that one, 132.73, as the last number is 6. Now you have to find out how many grains will be there, number of grains. So in 1 centimeter square 4 grains will be there. So number of grains will be equal to 132.73 multiplied by 4. So it is 530.92 you are getting. Again here you can approximate this one because it is 92, so it will be 531. So approximately 531 grains will be there on the corn cob. Okay.